Bashar Ahmed, the personal assistant on new media to President Muhammadu Buhari, posted a beautiful picture of the president and the first lady in his Twitter handle. From the picture, one could see the way the president was looking at his wife in a loving way. It will seem they it will seem that they are just a new couple, but they have been married for more than 3 decades now, since 1989. The First Lady Aisha also looked happy looking at her husband. This is just love. There have been rumors of the two having marital problems, but this picture alone that was released has shown that the two are just fine and happy. The joy of every married man is to have a wife that keeps him happy. The president looks younger than his age, which is an evidence that he's being taken care of by his wife. Well, a lot of people have been reacting to these pictures, and a lot of people are really angry. They are not really, people are not smiling about all of these things. Someone says, me self, I need to frame this picture. Oh, so this is how they look like. Wow, I didn't know. Well, this is love. Look, men at this age. Look, this man at this age, and a lot of people are reacting both ways. This is not our business. All we want, all what we need is food on our table, security, and jobs for our children. Well, if you work harder, you will get food on your table. You can imagine. So those who are complaining about hunger now, is as a result of being lazy, not being working. Framework, bliss will soon blow. Then foul yansh go open. Stop deceiving us with fake pictures. First family of Nigeria, happy independence to you all. Like I said, mixed reactions concerning these pictures that this man went to post on his Twitter handle, the Bashar Ahmed man. Well, I'm not happy with this couple, with that sentiment, even as a northerner. eh, I believe that we northerners should be sensitive to the suffering of the Nigerian people. After Buhari, the North should stay away from power for 50 years in order to experience developments. The rich and the educated ones dress fine and modern living. Those poor ones suffering with a hijab in the name of religious piety. I just believe you want people to comment and to express their inner beliefs about him. Presido looks quite excited. That's a fake president. There's no other first lady in Nigeria but Aisha Buhari. Nice one from the first family, wishing you a very happy independence anniversary. Let the devil insult them the way they like. It will not give any mark to them. And that's how to show that the people insulting Baba Buhari have no home training. Well, this is old picture. Asabe, the hungry. Well, insensitive government. May God continue to bless them. Beautiful. Okay. This one a big like the best first lady so far. What do you want them to do? Make them know say people they hungry for this country. No be their look we go chop oh. Yes, so fake pictures. Is this picture a problem? If they like, let them do it there. It's not our business. Which Buhari, two of you should be preparing for the biggest disgrace soonest. Look at you, Abdullahi Basha. What has love got to do with age? This is the time real love would begin. Copy from them so that whenever you become old, you will also love your wife the same way Buhari is loving his wife. Well, that is their own cup of tea. Very good reaction from President. God bless you and your family. You will not say that that woman is the most beautiful person lady in the world. If na you could go look that fine woman every second. How her husband look like his wife, look at his wife is no business of anyone, and anyone business is to remain silent. The armor of God will soon drop on some people. Love indeed. What about insecurity, hunger, wickedness, unemployment, austerity, campaign promises not fulfilled, and all of that? Well, PMB is a good man, but I can not vouch for his advisors. Is this our concern? So this small boy is the 87 years Buhari that campaigned in 2015. I just like this our first lady. She's always looking cool. May God bless you, madam. Say, Baba, may God protect you and your family. And wife, more grace to your able. Happy Independence anniversary. My president and his lovely wife, Aisha, happy independence. That is lovely. Show us the face because that is a face of a young person, okay? You can never deceive me. Some people do not still believe this whole thing. Well, some people are not just even happy because it is when you are happy that you'll be able to look at, okay, what is in this person or what is in the other person. But as it is right now, Nigerians are not really too happy and things are not too palatable. But what do? We are in a country where we deny the truth. We are economical with the truth. Whether people are just dying, you see the way things are just happening, awkward things happening in this country, but some people don't even care. They just believe it's a normal thing. And why some people, they are not even feeling this heat, and those who are not feeling this heat, or some people are even feeling the heat, they don't even know where the heat is coming from. They don't even know who is the originator of this heat they are feeling, and they are just going that way. Some people do not even understand a lot of things. Some people are just there. I don't just understand whether they are living in this country or they are somewhere speaking, because majority of the people who are suffering, they are just there languishing. Some of them are in the IDP camp. They are really in the IDP camp. But the board has already come out to say all the problems that Nigerians are facing now is as a result of what the past leaders have done. They have destroyed this country since 1999 to 2015 when he came to power. Those are the problems he's been solving. So he never contributed to the problem of this country. Kindly tell us about your president. System collapse. Nigeria money is talking. That's why they are looking uh, so good. They look uh they look marks clear like lack of trust and confidence on the first lady by the president. Whichever way they want to look, I think that is not the problem of Nigeria. A lot of Nigerians, a lot of families are crying, a lot of families are mourning, a lot of families are just there, don't even know what to do next. They don't even know where the next meal is going to be coming from. While many Nigerians are languishing in abject poverty, the first family are smiling off the effects. God deal. What is the way forward in this country? I'm not interested in your romantic game. Well, BB grammar every day without any positive changes. Foods are very, very expensive in the market, but they're telling you that food are very cheap, that everything is just very, very cheap. They don't know where Nigerians are getting all those information from or where they are buying their own food. But as far as the president and the family and the government, federal government, as far as they are concerned, everything is good. Everything is working well. You know, you can say that to them everything is working well. So they don't even know what an average man is passing through on the street. So guys, leave your comment below and let's have your take on the pictures the aide to the president on new media has posted on his Twitter handle. Thank you.